Good day, viewers. You are welcome back to Tindanious Maths and Science tutorials. If you are new here, kindly share, like, subscribe, and comment for more interesting videos and updates. We are still considering calculus as a course, alright? So if you are new here, kindly visit my previous lectures, okay, or lecture videos in order to catch up. So today we are going to consider some simple functions, okay? And these functions are very, very tricky. For instance, when you have this, let's say f of x to be equal to, you have 2, let's say you have x to the power 6. So we are being told to differentiate this. So we have f prime of x is equal to, using the power rule, what do we have? 1 multiplies 6, right? So I have 6, then I have x to the power what? 6, then what? Minus what? Minus 1. Which is equal to 6x to the power what? 5. Okay, so this is differentiation of functions using the power rule. Now in this YouTube session, okay, or in these lectures, we are going to consider functions which is similar to this, but they are very, very different. And in this case, the product rule wouldn't be appreciated, or product rule wouldn't be applicable over here. So what happens if f of x is equal to x to the power 6, and f differential, okay, of this function gives 6x to the power 5. Then, when I interchange this, okay, so when I have 6, then raised to an exponent of x. Viewers, if I find the derivative of this, what would I get? And that is the purpose of the session. Alright? So, let us set the ball rolling. So I would say let functions of this nature, okay, be equal to, or let a raised to the power u. Okay, so this is my a, and the exponent, let's say u denotes the exponent, okay. So in other words, we are going to find the derivative, or we are going to differentiate functions of this nature. Okay, so if you have a function of, say, a raised to an exponent of n, that's a raised to an exponent of u, and you want to find, or you want to differentiate this, what do? Have d over the x of the whole of this function, which is equal to, what you do is you copy and paste, okay, you rewrite this. So you have a raised to the power u, then times the differential of the exponent, which is your u. So I have u prime, then multiplying, that's log of a this way. Viewers, as simple as that. So for example, I've been told to differentiate this. 2 raised to an exponent of, let's say, x. Remember, this is not the same as x to the power 2. Remember this, viewers, okay? That's note this for me. They are never the same. So we already know this, right? So this becomes what? 2x when differentiate this. What about this? So if I have d over the x of 2 exponents x, I said you will repeat this, okay? In other words, you rewrite this, or you just copy and paste it over here. I have 2 exponents x, then times, then you differentiate the exponents. So if I differentiate x, I'll have 1. Is that also? Then times log of a. This is my a. You get it that way? That's 2. In other words, this becomes what? 2x times 1 is just 2 raised to the power x. Then I have natural log of what? Of 2. As simple as that. Let's consider this. So it said differentiate the following with respect to x. So number one, I have d over dx of 9 to the power 2x this way. This is equal to copy and paste, okay, rewrite it. So I have a to the power 2x, then times the differential of the exponent. In other words, differentiate the exponent. So if I differentiate 2x, I'll have what? I'll have my 2, then times that's lane a. By my a here is what? Is 9. As simple as that. The second question is, I want to differentiate this with respect to x. So I have d over dx of 5 to the power 2x minus 4 this way. What do we do? Copy and paste. We rewrite it as 5 to the power 2x minus 4, then times the differential of the exponent or power or index. So if I differentiate 2x, I will have 2. When I differentiate a constant, I have what? 0. Then times that's log of a, which is my 5. So as simple as that. Viewers, this will be an error. In other words, the deadly sins in mathematics. If you multiply 2 by 5 to get 10 to the power 2x minus 4, that will be fun enough. And this is a deadly sin in math. So viewers, try not to what? Don't attempt to multiply this by that or by that, okay? So the third question is, find dy, that's find d over dx of 7 raised to an exponent of x squared. What do? You rewrite this. So you have 7x squared, then times the differential of the exponent. When I differentiate x squared, what do I have? I have 2x. That's using the power rule. Then times lane what? Lane a, which is my 7. As simple as that. Viewers, and the last question to end the tutorial is differentiate 2 raised to an exponent of the expression 4x plus x squared this way. What do? Copy and paste, okay? Just follow the normal way of doing things, right? So I have 2 raised to the power 4x plus x squared, then times the differential of the exponent or the power or the index. So if I differentiate 4x, I will have 4, then plus, if I differentiate x squared, I'll have what? 2x. Okay, then times that's lane of 2. That is my a. This. As simple as that. Viewers, this is the end of the lesson. Stay tuned and remember to click on the bell button for subscription in order for you to receive all my updates regarding complex topics in math and science. See you next time for more interesting topics. Bye.